Thanks for joining us for our weekly Team Maddie Fashion Blast. Tonight we're going to Nashville. Through fashion we will meet a fine Southern gent and beautiful Southern belles. We will work at the local strip club to pay our rent. And finally we will become the country stars we were destined to be. Our first category is Southern Gent and Southern Belles. Our next category is Sexy Cowboy, Sexy Cowgirl. Our last category is Nashville Star. for hanging with us. Join us next week for another great Team Maddie Fashion Blast. If you would like to make the outfits you have seen in our fashion shows, check out our how-to videos.